Hello students, welcome to the topic fillet weld lap joint on the mild steel sheet 3 mm thick in vertical position by deep transfer 3F. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to prepare the plates and tack weld them as a lap joint. Set the tack welded joint in the weld positioner in vertical position. Set the root run and second run by weaving beads slightly. Ensure proper cleaning of the plate surfaces and interbead cleans. Clean and inspect for surface defects on weld and bead appearance.
This topic involves the use of several tools and equipment. Here are the main tools commonly used. Steel rule, lighter, wire brush, hand grinder, bastard file, second cut file, tri-square, leather apron, leather hand gloves, leg guard, safety shoes, welding helmet, safety goggles, chipping hammer, welding screen, MIG welding set, CO2 gas cylinder, filler wire feeder, MIG welding torch. Process: wear protective clothings. Cut the sheet by shearing machine as per drawing. Grind and file the edges of sheet to square. Deburr and clean the surface of the plates by carbon steel wire brush and filing. Set the plate A on the plate B in the form of lap as per drawing. Connect the torch to the positive terminal of the machine. Set current to 90 to 100 amperes corresponding via feeding rate 3 to 4 maximum or minimum, 19 to 20 arc voltage and deposit the root run using dip transfer mode. Tack weld minimum 10 mm length on both ends of the lap joint. Keep the tack welded job in vertical position on a weld positioner. Strike an R and move the torch steady straight from the bottom of the joint upwards. Weld the lap joint by using 0.8 mm diameter mild steel filler wire and using stringer bead welding technique. Clean the surface of the plates by carbon steel wire brush. Ensure good leg length and even fusion of plates. Avoid undercut. Ensure the edges of the plate is not melted off due to excessive weaving. Ensure there is no undercut at the other toe of the lap weld-on plate. Clean the bead by wire brush. After checking there is no defects like overlap, undercut, penetration, distortion and it is a good bead profile.
The topic involves preparing the plates and tack weld then as a lap joint, setting the tack welded joint in weld positioner in vertical position, setting the root run and second run by weaving beads slightly, ensuring proper cleaning of the plate surfaces and interbead cleans, and in the end, cleaning and inspecting for surface defects on weld and bead appearance. I hope you have understood all the concepts and exercises. In our next video, we will bring you another wonderful concept. Till then, take care.